Welcome to the how-to guide for Paracosma's heavy machine and vehicle inspection application. This tutorial will take you through its key features. Click on the truck icon with the full inspection label and select Start. The 3D model will load, allowing you to explore it in detail with zoom, rotate, and full view options. Click the animation button and choose parts from the list. This feature allows you to see how each component operates, providing a clearer understanding of its functionality and role within the truck. The inspection checklist is an interactive feature that lets you examine the model and mark parts in need of repair based on your findings. To use this feature, select the parts from the checklist. Inspect them closely for any wear, damage, or maintenance needs. Mark your findings in the checklist. Once completed, you can print your checklist, and it will be saved to your My Documents folder for future reference. PDFs provide detailed information about the truck, including specifications and component details, helping you better understand its features and design. With the Annotations feature, you can easily identify different parts of the truck. Simply click on the Annotations button, and a list of parts will appear. Select any part, and it will be highlighted on the truck engine, helping you locate it quickly and understand its purpose. The Dissect feature allows you to virtually break down the truck into individual components. This lets you explore how each part connects and functions within the system, giving you a deeper understanding of the truck's internal structure. On the top left, you'll find the Models tab. Here, you will see a list of individual models that you can view separately from the truck. A key feature in the Models tab is the side-by-side inspection. For example, on this wheel inspection, you can compare a correct part with its faulty counterpart. This helps you identify issues by clearly showing the differences, improving your inspection skills and making it easier to spot potential problems. Paracosma's heavy machine and vehicle inspection application offers an interactive experience for exploring and learning about heavy-duty vehicles. Begin your inspection today.